What is up, guys? As you know, this is Melanson Mortgages, your #1 spot for education on the mortgage and real estate financial market. As always, if you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing, as it may be helpful to other individuals who are wondering the same things that you are, have similar questions, or could really use this content. And I thank you so much for watching. So you're approaching the end of your term, whether that be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 10 years, and you get a slip in the mail from your current lender. This slip says to sign here for the easiest renewal possible, potentially without your lender even looking into your current situation and requalifying you. Today we're going to be talking about this, what you should do when you're coming up to that renewal time, and how you can actively act in your own best interest going forward so that for your next term, you're going to get the best terms, the best conditions, and the one everybody loves, the best rates. So you received that renewal slip in the mail. You may feel like you've hit a gold mine and you couldn't be happier to save time. Is my lender for real? Are they really offering me just to sign here and get pretty much an instant renewal into a new mortgage? Well, potentially, yeah, they could be, but is it in your best interest? Well, the answer to that is a different one altogether. You scan further down that renewal slip and you see the rate they're offering you. The rate seems a little bit higher or a lot higher than what you're seeing advertised in the mortgage market. Well, this is the premium that you're going to pay for that easy renewal. So what do you do next to ensure you're taking the best path? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the ways you can make sure you're working towards your own best interest. Alright, so the #1 question that you're going to have to ask yourself is, have your financial goals changed? So what I mean by this is, have your goals changed since the last time you renewed or you got a mortgage? Do you plan on upgrading or downgrading from your home in the near future? Have you incurred some debt that you may want to include in the future mortgage because it has a higher interest rate, like credit card debt or a vehicle loan? Has your actual financial situation changed? Are you potentially in a better financial position where you actually may qualify for a better mortgage product and a better rate? Are you looking to pay down a lump sum of the mortgage balance? Perhaps you got a raise or you came into some new money and you're just looking to get that monthly payment down as much as possible or pay off the entire loan. Perhaps you've built up some equity into your home and you want to access a home equity loan or do an equity takeout or access a home equity line of credit in order to invest or utilize those funds towards a goal. If you said yes to any of those questions, then chances are your best bet is not to sign on that dotted line and go for the easy approach, when the reality is there are much better options out there that will suit your current financial goal or situation. The chances are, if you had a 5-year term fixed mortgage, then on that renewal slip, they're going to offer you the same product. Even if that interest rate might have dropped from what you were initially at, I can pretty much guarantee it is not the lender's best rate on that given mortgage product. So what's the best way to go about acting in your own best interest? Simple. You should start to shop around for a new mortgage product at least 4, 5, or 6 months early before your renewal comes due. As mortgage brokers and agents, we are able to actually do a rate hold and hold a mortgage product for you for up to 120 days. In this current market we're experiencing, rates are so low, nobody has any actual idea when rates are going to go back up. Now, of course, the Bank of Canada has exclaimed that rates will likely be on their way up in the next 2 to 3 years. And while many people want to bank on that statement, the sooner you act, the sooner you are going to be able to take advantage of lower rate, stress-free mortgage products. You'll have more time to shop around, make the right decisions so that when it does come time to either switch lenders or renew, you know that you're going to be as stress-free as possible and you're getting the best option for you. Another aspect of your mortgage that you should be actively thinking about is if you would like to go back into a fixed or a variable or an open mortgage term, and if not, what would you like to change to? A lot of people right now are opting for the fixed mortgage product because of the fact that the rates are almost on par with variable rate mortgages. With this being said, you have to understand the difference in penalties when you're going for a fixed mortgage over a variable. And if you decide you'd like to go with an open mortgage product, you have to understand where that rate premium is at, because I assure you, if the lender is allowing you to pay off that mortgage whenever you'd like, penalty free, there's going to be a huge rate hike from the fixed or variable product to that open loan. With this being said, dialing back to your financial goals, if this is something that you think you would want to take advantage of and pay that mortgage down as soon as possible, then maybe that's for you. The benefit of shopping around early and doing your research is that you can figure that part out well before you ever need to make the decision if you actually want to renew with your current lender or if you'd like to switch to another lender and another mortgage product. If you decide that you love your current lender and you've had absolutely no issues with them and you're not even interested in taking a look at what else is out there, or you did and you weren't convinced that there was a better rate or a better product out there for you, then what you need to do is go to that lender and argue that to keep your business, you are going to request a lower rate than what's on that renewal slip. Now, of course, I can't make any promises. Of course, if you go back to that lender and you request a lower rate than what's on that renewal slip, there is a chance that they might tell you to go fly a kite and that they don't want your business. Or they just straight up tell you that that's the best they're willing to offer, and if you would like to keep your mortgage with them, that's what you're going to have to accept. However, for the most part, if you're willing to put in the work of contacting that lender and really making a compelling argument why they should keep your business and keep earning money from your mortgage, there is an even better chance that they will be willing to find a way to get that renewal rate a bit lower for you so that you save some money. So in conclusion here, obviously, the most simple and easy option is to just sign that renewal letter, send it back in the envelope they include, and be on your way with a new mortgage with the same lender. However, 9.9 times out of 10, signing this renewal slip and sending it back will definitely not get you the best mortgage rate or the best mortgage product that fits your current solution. Of course, my recommendation and the solution that I personally think is the best for you is that you reach out to me or another mortgage professional which you trust to look into your options, do a full review of your current situation, and see just how we can help you out, get you into a better mortgage product along with a better rate than you see on that paper, and hopefully really access those goals that you're aiming for. With all that being said, of course, this was just to trigger the thought process of potentially renewing your mortgage and to bring up the fact that your only option isn't to, sign on that dotted line. You have lots of other options out there, and I truly hope you take advantage of the people out there who are willing to help you explore those options, save you money, and put you in a better financial position for your future. As always, thank you for watching. This has been Melanson Mortgages. I am Devon Melanson. I am a licensed mortgage agent. Contact me today if you would like to be put into a better position financially or have me review your goals and your current situation to make sure you are taking advantage of all the options out there, not just the one currently presented. Do yourself a favor if you are looking into real estate, mortgages, or just finances in general, and you want to learn more about these topics, go Like my page on Facebook, Devon Melanson Mortgages. Follow me on my Instagram at MelansonMortgages. And of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel for future videos just like this one, which will be helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.